Hello and welcome. Here is our standalone Android advertising display. Built for commercial use, their tempered glass front, steel enclosure and aluminium surround not only protect the internal components but also give them vibrant tablet-like aesthetics. These screens come in a range of sizes: 19-inch, 22-inch, 32-inch, 43, 50-inch and 55-inch. Updating them is easy. Let's try on this screen here. Simply insert a USB stick into your computer, copy your images and videos onto it, then remove. Open the lockable door, insert the USB stick into the screen, wait for the files to copy, and then remove when prompted. Did you see how easy that was? And look, our content is on screen with no additional hardware used, no PC, no DVD player, and no software required. These screens come with a super slim wall mount, so you can mount the screen in portrait or landscape at no extra cost. For more advanced control over your screen, you can take advantage of the free scheduling software. This allows you to display different content during different times of the day. This screen can also be used as a monitor just by connecting to an external source, such as a PC, by using the HDMI and VGA inputs. Now you know just how effortlessly these outstanding products can be. There is nothing stopping your business from enjoying the beliefs of our Android advertising displays.